Hello guys, today I have for you this challenge lock. It's called This the Season, and now the season is winter, believe me, very big winter, and I don't pick outside. And this key is a mummify. Oh, this challenge lock is fit. It's made by Enorde, and I will try to pick with this pick from Jason Carlson. It's a magic pick, and with this pick made by Mr. Evers. The keyway. Try to have faucet. Oh, faucet now. Pin on one. Oh. Okay, now this pick is not too high, but with this big weapon, try to phone. This is the pin. Bam. Okay. Back on pin 5. And it's picked. Yes. This the season. I'm curious to see that key. Oh, look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 3 and 4 is very high. Why I need this awesome pick. I have this new pinning tree sent me by Mr. Yama, but made by the only one, Bobby Key. Thanks a lot for this. It's very nice, very good shape. Love this golden color. Okay, the key. Work great. To remove this. Please take chance. Okay, 4. Okay. What one bearing here? I know Mr. Enorde I've made awesome pin in this. Let's see picture, but I never got this. Very nice serration. Oh, not here. 5 here and 4. Very nice. A lot of serration is here. The score is standard. Modification here. And for the top now. Pin one. Oh, very nice. Very nice. Spring, please. Pin two. Very cool looking pin. Phew. This deep pin is very hardcore. Look at that. Okay. I think this is a good sign. You know, go to pin 5. Shit, deep pin, very nice. Okay, spring here, and the last. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh yes, this is a mega bomba. But I'm not sure for the good side. I think it'll be good here, and look great like this. Spring here. Okay. Look at this pin. Very nice job, Mr. Enorde. Ew! This is the season, and when I see this pin, look like piece of ice. Look at that. Awesome job. Very nice looking pin. Very nice, my friend. Nice chance, nice challenge lock. Have a nice day.